Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I just wanted to share with you one of my spa baskets for Mother's Day. And this is my Love You Always box. I themed this box with cherry blossom, so I'm using the cherry blossom set from Dollar Tree, which includes the lotion as well as the body scrub. I also have a mirror there next to it. I've included a box of chocolates in the back and the head wrap that is around the box of chocolates. In the cup, I've placed the facial scrub as well as the cherry blossom body lotion. I put the face mask on the box of chocolates in the back there from Freeman. And I also have a scrunchie in there to wash with, or loofah. And then I have the Freeman Dehydrating Pomegranate Facial Mask Peel. I have a pair of the fuzzy socks. And I also have washcloth in the cup. I've included one of my satin bonnets with this as well, and a back massager. I think this basket turned out good. However, I didn't like the way the cleanser looked in the front because that was just too much white in the front for me. So I'm going to switch those around and put the pomegranate in the back in the cup and move the cherry blossom lotion to the front there. So this basket is loaded for Mother's Day, and I think it is a beautiful basket. Any mom would love to have this basket to pamper herself over a nice hot cup of tea or coffee with those fuzzy socks on and that face mask just doing its thing. Thank you for watching.